Oh my God. I got some business cards. I wanted to say thank you guys for subscribing. We got a couple new members, so thank you guys. You guys are awesome. Keep it up. Woo. Yeah, I decided to get a good biking in before I had to go to work. Mountain Dora is always a place to go for that. Somebody asked me if there was a downhill park in Florida. I feel like Gravity Destroyer is the closest thing we got right now, because you don't really have to pedal at all. Maybe there's one little section where you have to pedal up. Other than that, it's all downhill. So the main reason, so I wanted to go check out the changes they did to a couple of the blue trails in here. There's a couple of the blue trails, two of them. One's called Chicken Biscuit, and the other's called Extra Crispy. Ow. I had like no, obviously I don't have very good balance right now, so we might not make it. Ah. I got some, I don't know if y'all see that, but I got some business cards. If you did want to refer a friend to the channel, you just tell them to search Anthony Medina mountain biking, and I'm one of the first few that pops up, which is cool. But if you just type in Anthony Medina, you get a whole bunch of results. So yeah, if you do see me and you want a little spam card, you know, just ask and I'll provide one. There's stickers coming as well. I think I want to try to hand out a business card in this video. If we find somebody. It's a little early, but hopefully we find someone. I think I saw a couple people in the parking lot getting ready, so maybe we'll hit them up. I don't want to like bombard them first thing in the morning, you know, when they're trying to stretch or whatever. You know, you guys are awesome. Again, thank you guys for subscribing. It's really motivating. Whew. See if we see our friend the turtle. I don't see him. Chicken Biscuit. Yeah, I filled that in. And then they made this approach easier. And they added this berm. Oh, we get a lot of speed through that. Holy crap. That's pretty dope. Yeah, don't ride that when it's wet though. It's all clay. That is really good. Too good to ruin, so I better not catch y'all out here riding that one in the rain. The rest of Chicken Biscuit's a very flowy trail, I guess. Little bits and pieces of techie stuff, but mostly flowy. Oh, they added like ow. Maybe these bars are too... I cut these bars down too, and they're catching on everything. Legs are on fire. Owie, 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 owie. Oh yeah, it feels good though. So I definitely needed this workout. You can see Oh, don't you can't see. So there's the up and over this way, which is more challenging, I guess. It used to be a lot more difficult because of and you know, the roots weren't filled in like that. And then the other option is the easier line, which is to the left, which is still easier, and they made it even easier with filling in those roots again, but with the right here. The hard part is it's a very tight course. It's a lot of churning, slower speeds, very technical, very fun. There we go. See, once you get it over, it's easy. And then here, the tire popper. All right, now we're climbing up to the beginning of Extra Crispy. Oh my goodness, everything's hurting. Woo! Oh, that wall ride looks so dope. Oh my god, whoever built that, that is the smoothest berm or wooden wall ride I've ever ridden in my entire biking life. Like, it's insane. Well, that is it, y'all. So those are the two updated trails here. Man, that wooden berm is so good, and then that clay berm going into Chicken Biscuit is so fast, dude. I gotta get home, get ready for work, but it's been good, y'all. Like I said, thank you guys for subscribing, and go shout out to the new subscribers. Show them the love. Be dope if you smash the like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.